Why choosing Google BigQuery instead of other traditional warehouses such as Snowflake, Redshift, and Azure? First of all, let's talk about native integrations. Because Google BigQuery is inside the Google ecosystem, it has native integrations and exports with Google Marketing Platform tools such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Search Console. On the other hand, traditional data warehouses lack of this, so you will require third-party ETL tools such as Fivetran, Stitch, Airbyte to get this information. Now let's talk about infrastructure. Google BigQuery is serverless and traditional warehouses uses clusters. Let me explain this in a non-technical way. Picture yourself at your home. You turn on the lights, and as soon as you turn on the lights, you don't care from where the electricity comes from. You are not thinking how big is the plant that is running the electricity. You don't care about anything of that. You just turn on the lights and you receive the light. That's how Google BigQuery works with your data. You storage information, you query data, but you don't really care on how big is the server you need to run all of that data or queries. In traditional warehouses, is the opposite. You will need to think on how big should be the server, how much capacity do you need to run all of those queries and store all of that data. So it's a lot easier the serverless way. Now let's talk about free tier. Google BigQuery offers 10 gigabytes of storage and 1 terabyte of queries monthly. To reach those levels, you will have to do a lot of queries and store a lot of data. If you are in a small or medium marketing agency, probably you will reach those limits. So that's why you see there zero cost for most marketing teams. In traditional warehouses, they only have trials, and probably it will cost you around $500 or more, depending on the size of your data, and also because you will need to pay for the connections to these other marketing platforms. Finally, let's talk about the learning curve. Google BigQuery has great advantages in this regard. If you are a marketer like I am, probably you are not someone super technical. So BigQuery offers you low complexity compared to the traditional data warehouses. Why? In the traditional data warehouses, you will need to know about SQL, DevOps, cloud configuration, and a lot of data engineering stuff. Compared to BigQuery, you just need SQL, and you can run your first query just in minutes. In traditional data warehouses, it will take you few hours because of the setting up. And that's why you should choose BigQuery instead of other traditional data warehouses. In the next video, we will learn about ETL.